Aloha to all of you at Seashell Surf. Grab your board. Let's go for a ride. I invite you to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell for all notifications, hit the like button, and share the aloha of the videos with friends and family. We're coming up on some antiques, an old car, and two original pieces of machinery from the sugar mill. And if you recognize the car and you know what year and model it is, let me know in the comments. And also a very large ship anchor I'd like to get the history about. Let's slow it down and take a look at these antique items. Just a lovely day, rainbow weather, but windy. Here down on the south side of Kauai. I have found a Puaala, which is a native plant to Hawaii. It's a relative of the Mexican poppy. And as you can see, the Puaala is quite prickly. And we're going to take a look at some other prickly things. The cacti are blooming with prickly pears and other flowers and fruit. Let's take a look, shall we? This one here is loaded with what looks like flowers. We'll see if they grow into a fruit. Some variety are not blooming, but we do have the Hawaiian panini with the red prickly pear. And here we have a better look at the panini with the red prickly pears. Well, aloha to all of you from me, Seashell Surf. We're back down at KEONELOA Bay on a sunnier day, but you can see those waves are still pounding out there, and the turtles are enjoying some more surf for dinner. And there are a few clouds in sight, except for above Hau'upu, as we say, He nani Hau'upu. Beautiful is Hau'upu, or Hau'upu, it's actually Hau'upu is a beauty. And as we can see, another beautiful cloud formation above it. And there are some places throughout all of the Hawaiian Islands that have same names. There is a place on Oahu called Hau'upu that resembles Hau'upu here, thus they've called it the same name. There are 3 Waimeas. Waimea, which means rusty or red waters. We have one here on the island of Kauai. We have one on Oahu, and we also have one, as some of you may know, where the 2 volcanoes are, the northernmost part of the island of Hawaii. Let's see how the waves are looking for the surfers out there. It's a hot day, so when you're out surfing, even when you're in the water, you're getting sunburned out there, but looks like some nice waves. There were 5 to 7 foot waves recently over the past couple of days with our rainier weather. They still look 5 to 7 foot faces to me. Let's see what's going on down the path. The Puaala is an endemic plant to the Hawaiian Islands. It grows down from sea level up to 6,200 plus feet in altitude throughout the Hawaiian Islands. The Puaala is often used as a hedge plant because it deters cattle from getting into places where they shouldn't be and other grazing animals. Some of the Puaala's traditional uses were for toothaches, nerve pain, ulcers, and even to get rid of warts. And unlike other poppies, this Mexican poppy or Puaala has no opioids, so no need to worry. The flowers come in white or yellow, and it is certainly a sturdy little plant in the high winds that we can encounter here many times in the Hawaiian Islands. And we're going to check back on this beautiful Puaala plant. I feel blessed to have been able to identify this beautiful flower growing in the wild, and so we're going to monitor it and come back and see how much more it grows. Well, as you guys can see, this is just remarkably high surf again. We see cascading waterfalls coming off of the rocks or the pohaku reefs. And the sea spray is just filling the air with the aroma of the sweet ocean delicacies that we so enjoy here in the Hawaiian Islands. It's mesmerizing. I never want to leave. Woo! It is really blasting up here. Look at the honu out there in the waves. It's a different scene every day. It's a different scene. Woo! Look it out there. Look it out by shipwrecks. Those waves are pumping out there, and when they hit the sea cave and the petrified sand dune over there, they're just splashing with passion, splashing with passion. Alrighty then. I'm gonna enjoy the sun while I can and get some double oxygen. No need to go to an oxygen bar. This is free, people. Come on down. Free 99 for double oxygen. This is Seashell Surf on an amazing day with some big surf and the turtles. As we say in the Hawaiian Islands, until we meet again, this is Seashell Surf. Catch a wave sitting on top of the world, but make sure you're safe. A hui ho and aloha. Filmed entirely on location in Hawaii. Seashell sees the beach in comfort in Seashell Surf beach accessories and attire. Once again, I just want to say mahalo to all of you for watching Seashell Surf. Watch some other videos when you need some relaxation and a short vacation to Hawaii. A hui ho and aloha.